into that nigga. I don't know, I gotta enter that boy. He done lost his brain, he done gone off. Off the shit, yeah, that boy that he done jumped off. Diving in the deep end. Where the flames at, nigga, ain't no ending. Lay it down in these hoes with the demons at. Yeah. Deep down in the flesh. Deep down in the flesh. I don't know what's on his mind, I don't know what's on his brain, but you better stay up out the way or he gon' blame that thing. Yeah, he quit to pull it, he quit to rock it. He'll whack it off the mouth, he'll fucking slap you in the mouth with it fucking gat. It like 2 deep into the thing to get it back. And you know it's skirt, sliding in the back. And you know it's skirt, sliding in the back. But you better hope it, we be the one that we can slide on. Yeah, we letting the shots off at your fucking home. In the morning, in the night, late night, early morning, it don't matter anytime. Even when you at the dinner table trying to eat your grind on. What it sound like? Nigga, what it sound like? Tell me what it sound like. Tell me what it sound like. You don't know what it sound like. You don't know what the sound is. I don't know the sound of the truck. Tell me what it sound like. Tell me what that sound like. When that chopper go da-da-da-da-da. Tell me what that sound like. When that chopper go I don't know, I gotta enter that nigga. I don't know, I gotta enter that boy. He done lost his brain, he done gone off. Off the shit, yeah, that boy that he done jumped off. Diving in the deep end. Where the flames at, nigga, ain't no ending. Lay it down in these hoes with the demons at. Yeah. Deep down in the flesh. Deep down in the flesh. I don't know what's on his mind, I don't know what's on his brain, but you better stay up out the way or he gon' blame that thing. Yeah, he quit to pull it, he quit to rock you. He'll whack it off the mouth, he'll fucking slap you in the mouth with it fucking gat. It like 2 deep into the thing to get it back. And you know it's skirt, sliding in the back. And you know it's skirt, sliding in the back. But you better hope it, we be the one that we can slide on. Yeah, we letting the shots off at your fucking home. In the morning, in the night, late night, early morning, it don't matter anytime. Even when you at the dinner table trying to eat your grind on. What it sound like? Nigga, what it sound like? Tell me what it sound like. Tell me what it sound like. You don't know what it sound like. You don't know what the sound is. I don't know the sound of the truck.